Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a Floerns dress haul. We are well on our way to warmer days, summer weather. I'm so excited. I know for myself, I love a good dress, and I'm super excited to bring you 5 brand new dresses from the 2025 summer collection. If you too like wearing dresses in the spring summer months, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because we already have something in common. I already know that you're gonna love it here. So let me get started with one that I've actually worn out in public. It is this high neck geometric shape dress. I wore this Sunday to church and I am not kidding you. I got so many compliments at church and at Publix after church. I was like, oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. This one's definitely gonna be great if you have a tan. I am working on my tan so hard. I've tried the spray tan, but they always just look weird on me. I think it's because of the color of my hair. I really don't know. Anyways, that's beside the point. This is such a cute dress. I wore this with a pair of nude strappy pointy toe heels, and it was just such a killer. I love this dress. It does come in, I think, one other print and color scheme. The print is different than this one, but yeah, this one is so pretty on. Now moving into a more girly style dress, I love this floral print on here. We have wide straps with little bow details. It is double lined. This is so cute. I have not worn it out in public. I paired it with a pair of white heels and it was so cute. This is going to be great for Easter or just basically any warm temperature days. I'm going to be pulling for this so much. This little faux silk dress is stunning on. She is short. And yes, it is solid black, but look at the backside. It has an elastic strap at the top and this little swoopy cutout detail. So freaking cute. I actually have a white version of this that I got a couple years ago. We did family photos at the beach and I found one at Target, and I love that dress and I'm so glad to have it in black now. Also, it does come with a slip grip to hold it up. And with it being black, you can literally pair it with anything. You can go with a pop of red, shoe and bag. You could go solid black. You could add a leopard print, a leopard print shoe. I saw a lady at church the other day wearing leopard print heels and I was like, oh, drool. I want a pair of leopard print heels so bad. And that would be phenomenal with this. Now, the next two just came in today and I have not had a chance to try them on. So I'm hoping that they fit right. But this white one is the same cut as the very first one. And so I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit the same. But again, it's a high neck. I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's got this rippling stripe effect that runs all the way down. And this little knot detail up at the top. On the back side, you have 2 buttons. And the length of it is, I know it doesn't look like much right here, but the length looks like it's gonna hit at the knees, if not a little below. I am 5'5", so whenever you see me wearing the dresses later, keep that in mind. I am 5'5", I weigh roughly 150 pounds, so just keep that in mind. This last one is so different and cute. It's giving boho Spanish vibes. Is that do you get that? We have embroidery. How stunning is that? I love the contrast of the black and the white with these balloon sleeves. The sleeve is slightly elastic. The top portion is kind of heavy, I think, with all of the embroidery detail. So it does have a little weight to the top portion, but the bottom portion is not double lined and it's very light and flowy. Thank you so much, Floerns, for sending over these 5 spring summer dresses from your 2025 collection. I'm so excited to try them on. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's go.
The pain inside, don't wanna feel it. Yeah. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more, she hit me, say you quit or she dipping. Yeah, yeah. I don't want pain no more. I don't want no more pain. I ain't gon' see no way. Look at that with no pain. See the rain coming down, but it is not purple today. Came a long way from stacking and rolling that change. And all I ever wanted was some real love. Then I iced it on my heart, I watched it build up. My bro, he stay with Tuesday Bob to build up. And I feel on inside, don't wanna feel it. Yeah. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. Ooh. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more, she hit me, say you quit or she dipping. Yeah, let me do my thing. Got them greens and pinks and blues, I'll give my kids a change. Don't call me, I sit for none unless you do the same. I want a cat that's fast as that and I don't do no range. Yeah.